So new diet, new video. This week I'm going to try the Seolhyun diet. She's a famous pop star in the group AOA and also an actress, very pretty. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. But her diet consists of 2 sweet potato for breakfast, 2 chicken breasts for lunch, and 3 eggs for dinner. So I'm going to try this for a week and see how that goes. First things first, the before videos and pictures, and also weighing myself. So let's see. It's day 1 and this is what I'm gonna eat for today. 3 eggs, 2 sweet potato, and about, it should be 2 chicken breasts, but this is all the chicken I could find today. So yes, we'll see how that goes. Day 2 meal all set. Let's eat. Okay, so today's the morning of day 2. Day 1, which was yesterday, was okay. I didn't get to eat all the food that I made. For the sweet potato, I only ate 1.5. I ate 1 egg and I finished all the chicken. Yeah, so we'll see what happens on day 2. Hey guys, so do not be alarmed. This is just a facial mask. I just want to update you on the second day and how it went. Today I finished most of the food, the chicken, the 2 sweet potato, and I had 1 egg. So I have 2 more eggs left to eat. With the food for this diet plan, I'm actually feeling full longer. I'm not as hungry. I think it's the sweet potato. Energy level wise, I'm okay. I'm the same, but usually the first and second day, I'm always okay. It's the third day that really screws me up. Bowel movement went once. I weigh myself and I lost 2 pounds. I'm at 98 pounds right now. Let's see. My skin is okay. I'm not breaking out. My hair is okay. I'm not losing any hair. Yeah, everything's okay. So we'll see what happens on the third day. Peace. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's end of day 3 and it's okay. I feel fine. My energy level is fine. I'm not breaking out. Bowel movement is the same. I'm not feeling weak. I'm actually surprised that I feel okay with this diet. So yeah, everything's the same. We'll see what happens tomorrow on day 4. Hey everyone, so today it's the morning of day 4 and I've decided to start this diet on this day because I just weighed myself and I'm at 94 pounds right now, which is an all-time low, so that means it's time to stop. So for this diet, I would say it's actually one of the better diets that I've been on because I feel full most of the time. Energy level is fine, the same. Bowel movement once a day compared to 2 to 3 times a day. My skin is okay. It's not dull. There's no acne. It cleared up. My mood is fine. No anxiety. No mood swings. Hair, no hair loss. I think the only downfall of this diet, for me, that is that I get cold easily, like especially my hands and feet. That's probably like poor circulation. Other than that, everything was fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop it here. Again, I say this in all my video. I do not recommend this diet to anyone. What works for me doesn't necessarily work for you. Just be careful. And yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good day. Peace.